Butter is valued for flavor, but in high-volume kitchens, its composition can limit how it performs during cooking. Butter contains water and milk solids. When heated, the water can evaporate and cause splattering or uneven cooking, while the milk solids can burn quickly at high temps. Liquid butter alternatives are designed to address those challenges. They're oil-based cooking fats made without water or milk solids, allowing them to perform more consistently during high-heat cooking, like sautéing, grilling, pan coating, roasting vegetables, techniques commonly performed on flat tops, griddles, or grills, where maintaining steady heat and preventing burning is important. The oil-based formulation also helps promote even browning and consistent searing on proteins and vegetables. Liquid butter alternatives also simplify kitchen workflow. Most are shelf-stable, require no refrigeration, and are ready to use without melting or preparation. That makes them quicker to apply during service and more consistent during busy shifts. In addition to cooking performance, liquid butter alternatives can also support evolving menu needs. With no dairy, they can help operators create items that appeal to guests looking for dairy-free or vegan-friendly options, while continuing to add a buttery flavor profile with no sodium. For kitchens focused on consistency, speed, and high heat performance, that makes liquid butter alternatives a practical option across a wide range of applications.